Welcome to Gamified EduTech, where learning meets fun. Today, we're excited to showcase one of our standout resources, Kingdom Jeopardy-Style Game. This digital tool, built in Google Sheets, transforms your classroom into a Jeopardy game show with an Animal Kingdom twist. Think fascinating creatures and wild facts students adore. Packed with 25 engaging questions across 5 categories, it's perfect for sparking curiosity and learning. Let's explore what it offers. Available in our Gamified EduTech store, this resource is a fully functional Jeopardy-style game designed for Google Sheets. It dives into the animal kingdom with categories like mammals, birds, reptiles, marine life, and insects, featuring 25 questions with point values from 100 to 500. Students tackle questions like, what covers most mammals' bodies and helps keep them warm? That's fur. Or what do birds use instead of teeth to eat their food? A beak. With a sleek game board and built-in interactivity, it's 25 questions that make biology a thrilling adventure. What makes this resource special? First, it's interactive and engaging. Students tell the teacher or an appointed host their chosen category and point value, like mammals for 200. The host clicks the box to reveal the question, and the game comes alive, just like the real Jeopardy show, but with an animal twist that captivates them. Second, it's ready to go with 25 preset questions. Want to create your own? Our Classroom Challenge Google Sheets extension lets you craft custom games for any topic. Third, it's no prep and versatile, with a scoring feature that lets the teacher or host specify 2 or more teams, or even set individual players' names for personalized tracking. It's perfect for in-class team play, remote learning, or a fun icebreaker. This is gamified education at its wildest, from Gamified EduTech. Here's how it works. Open the Google Sheets file and launch the game board. 5 categories, 5 questions each. Assign teams or let students play solo. The teacher or host sets up the scoring by entering 2 or more team names or individual players' names. Students pick a category and point value by telling the host, like birds for 300, who then clicks the box to reveal a question, such as what do birds build to lay their eggs in? That's a nest. Students submit their answer. If they're correct, the host picks their team or name so the system credits the score. And once the host clicks back to the main board, the scores are accounted for automatically. The built-in design tracks used questions too. Ideal for middle school, high school, or animal enthusiasts, it's great for biology reviews, reward days, or virtual sessions. For custom games, try our Classroom Challenge extension. This resource comes loaded. The game board, 25 preloaded Animal Kingdom questions, like what egg-laying mammal has a duck-like bill and lives in Australia? Platypus. And a scoring system for teams or individuals, all in an easy-to-use Google Sheets format. At Gamified EduTech, we're passionate about making learning raw with excitement. Ready to bring this Jeopardy-style animal adventure to your students? Visit our Gamified EduTech store, link in the description below. Grab this resource and explore more ways to gamify your classroom. Thank you for watching. If you loved this preview, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more from Gamified EduTech. Turn learning into a wild game show journey. See you next time.